Okay, hey guys, today I'm going to be playing with this Cloud Slime Blue Cloud Slime Oreo scented, but which is really not. So I kinda made it fluffy. Hey guys, today I'm going to be playing with Cloud Slime and it's fluffy. I made it fluffy. So I want this video to have 10,000 subscribers and likes. So thank you guys if y'all do that. And I will be I'll be selling slime. This type of slime is my butter slime. Kinda, but not like butter slime. It's my cloud fluffy slime, which is, yeah. See, it's like a cloud consistency, whatever. And I got some slight slime right here so y'all can see it. And like I got cloud slime. If y'all want this slime, go in the description below and tell me if y'all want this type of slime. And I would like for y'all to give me slime if you want to donate slime, or if you want to donate squishies, you can. And I will always love you guys because I don't usually make YouTube videos, but still, I just wanted to thank y'all because so y'all can know how good I feel about y'all. And it's okay if you want to bring squishies or slime or send it to me. It's okay. You can. No one's not stopping you, because if you want to send me a squishy, you can. Or slime, you can. You want to send me butter slime? I don't care. So I'm putting this slime for sale. And if anybody want it, go down to the description below and type in notifications cute dog flower. And if you can do that, I will be selling this slime so I can get 1,000 subscribers. I might have a shop for slimes. It's only cash because I don't like it when people don't give cash. But I mean, if you want to buy this butter texture cloud slime, you can. It's a butter texture slime. And if you want the whole thing, it's so big. Mess it up. It's like literally so big. To clean this up. So like if you want the slime, I can give it to you. And when you want it, you can buy it. It's only $3.99 because it's so fluffy, like you want it. And you always want it, and you can tell your mom, Dad, I want this type of slime. Well, you can get it. You can have your money back, and you can get it back. I don't know. But you can go to my house. It'll say it down there in the description below. And please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe and click that bell next to it. Next to the subscribe button. And I'll see you guys later. But not later, but I'll sell this slime so y'all can get it and play with it as long as y'all can. Okay? And then once y'all get the slime, y'all can play with it, have fun, enjoy your summer or stuff you have. And if you want an ounce of the slime, you can tell me. If you want a little bit, I don't care, because I got containers and stuff. So if you want it, you can ask Mom and Dad. Can they buy it for you? It's only $3.99 because I don't really like people to do that. I'm just doing that. Oh, something. Okay, so I just wanted to make a YouTube video, and I will see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.